This is the second part of Cardiff Acuity Card Test. In the first video, I covered below topics. What is a Cardiff Acuity Card? How does it measure visual acuity? How to score visual acuity with Cardiff Acuity Card? What are the features of Cardiff Acuity Card? Link of first video available in the description. In this video, I will cover what is the principle of Cardiff Acuity Card, three versions of Cardiff Acuity Card that are old version of Cardiff Acuity Card, standard version of Cardiff Acuity Card, and low vision version of Cardiff Acuity Card. Now let's know what is the principle of Cardiff Acuity Card.
Preparing for optometry government or license exams? Enroll our courses and prepare with premium lectures, theory notes and MCQs, mock tests, previous questions and more. Course overview link given in description.
What is the principle of Cardiff Acuity Card? The principle of Cardiff Acuity Card is based on vanishing optotypes combined with preferential looking principle. Let's know both this principle. Vanishing optotype principle. As the line that draw the target becomes narrower, if the visual acuity of the child is poor, then the target can't be differentiated from the background. The target will vanish and card will be completely blank. Thus, it's called vanishing optotype. For example, this is a 6 by 38 size target and this is a 6 by 6.75 size target. If child's visual acuity is less than 6 by 6.75, then this card will become completely blank to the child. And instead of looking at the card, the child will look at the examiner, face or other interesting target in the room. Now let's know what is preferential looking principle. When there is a target at the bottom and blank space at the top, the child prefers to look at the target rather than the blank space. This is called principle of preferential looking. For example, if this card is shown to the child, then the child will look at the bottom, not at the top, because there is a target at the bottom of this card. Now let's know versions of Cardiff Acuity Card. There are three versions of Cardiff Acuity Card: old version, standard version, and low vision version. In old version, there are 11 levels of visual acuity from 6 by 60 to 6 by 6. Each level has 3 cards and total cards are 33. In standard version, there are 12 levels of visual acuity from 6 by 48 to 6 by 3.75. Each level has 3 cards and total cards are 36. In low vision version, there are 12 to 14 levels of visual acuity from 6 by 96 to 6 by 6 or 6 by 3.75. Each level has 3 cards and total cards are 36 to 42. Both old and standard versions has 2 variations. One diagnostic set that has 3 cards per level and 2 screening set that has 1 card per level. Diagnostic set shows 2 to 3 cards in same visual acuity level that gives more accurate result and are used in dedicated pediatric eye clinics, follow-up for amblyopia, clinical trials, etc. Screening sets shows only 1 card in the same visual acuity level that gives rough or fast assessment of visual acuity and are used in school screening, pediatric vision camps, busy general OPDs, etc. Now let's know details about old version of Cardiff Acuity Card. Level 1 or A, visual acuity 6 by 60 and target used is fish. Level 2 or B, visual acuity 6 by 48 and target used is house. Level 3 or C, visual acuity 6 by 38 and target used is boat. Level 4 or D, visual acuity 6 by 30 and target used is train. Level 5 or E, visual acuity 6 by 24 and target used is duck. Level 6 or F, visual acuity 6 by 19 and target used is car. Level 7 or G, visual acuity 6 by 15 and target used is fish. Level 8 or H, visual acuity 6 by 12 and target used is train. Level 9 or I, visual acuity 6 by 9.5 and target used is boat. Level 10 or J, visual acuity 6 by 7.5 and target used is car. Level 11 or K, visual acuity 6 by 6 and target used is duck. Now let's know details about standard Cardiff Acuity cards. In standard Cardiff Acuity card set, they remove the level A from the old version and start from level B, visual acuity 6 by 48. Level B to level K are same as old version, but at last they added two more levels. Level L, visual acuity 6 by 4.8 and target used is house. Another is level M, visual acuity 6 by 3.75 and target used is train. Now let's know details about low vision version of Cardiff Acuity cards. As low vision patients have very low visual acuity, in low vision version they added two level of bigger optotypes in the beginning. Level LVA, visual acuity 6 by 96 and target used is apple. Level LBB, visual acuity 6 by 76 and target used is shock. Low vision version can extend up to the level J or M.
Now, quiz for you. Question 1. In screening Cardiff Acuity Card, how many cards are there? Option A. Only one card. Option B. 2 cards. Option C. 3 cards. Option D. 4 cards. Write your answer in the comment box. Question 2. What is the range of visual acuity in old version Cardiff Acuity Card? Option A. 6 by 96 to 6 by 3.75. Option B. 6 by 60 to 6 by 6. Option C. 6 by 60 to 6 by 3.75. Option D. 6 by 96 to 6 by 6. Write your answer in the comment box.
In the third part of this series, I will discuss about procedure and documentation of visual acuity with Cardiff Acuity card. Till then, stay with Smart Optometry Academy and study optometry smartly.